Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML. And right now we'll be discussing about emojis. Using emojis in HTML. Emojis are characters from the UTF-8 character set. What are emojis? Emojis look like images or icons, but they are not. They are characters from the UTF-8 Unicode character set. UTF-8 covers almost all of the characters and symbols in the word. So I'm going to show you how this looks quickly. Right here we are having some Unicode character set here, but it's not showing clearly. So I'm going to copy this now. You are going to see what we are having right here. As it's looking hidden right now, we can't know it yet, but let's paste it inside our VS Code because our VS Code is supporting Unicode character set. So we are going to see how it looks now. Let's paste it. Can you see how it looks there right here? So when we save our document, for instance, let's save our document and see how it will look in our. As you can see, we are having HTML entities. This characters we are talking about now, all these one they are HTML entities, and all this one also you can find them inside the Unicode character set, which is the UTF-8 character set. But right now, what I want to show you now is that we are going to let's reload our document now, so you can see the emojis that we just copied earlier. Let's reload it. Can you see? We can see these smiley faces and the love. So quickly, as you can see, that's how the emojis looks. So in our next tutorial, I'm still going to show you how we can generate some how we can get some UTF-8 codes character set that we can use. And in case you need this, you can find it in the UTF-8, but I'm going to show you how you can get it, how easy, how you can understand it, and where to use it in the future, because you may not need all this right now at the moment. You can't even need it for now because we are coming from the beginners to the advanced level. So don't just forget, we can find all this you are seeing right here, even all this ABC, everything you are seeing on this board right here, you can find it on the UTF-8. But when I go to the tutorial, when I start discussing about the UTF-8, you are going to understand better about it, because many people will just be telling us some stuff about it, but they will not get in deep like the way I will later explain it to you guys, so you can understand it. Because I know if I try and explain it for you guys, you can easily understand it better. All these things you are seeing right here, they are part of UTF-8 and Unicode characters. So I'm going to show you guys how all of this came up later in the future. So I just want you guys to stay calm for now. Let us just get going gently, because from beginners we are getting to the advanced level gradually. So, and what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.